it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome here as well. So I always had like few eyeliner challenges that I wanted to try, like One-swoop, eyeshadow eyeliner, and left hand eyeliner challenge. And today is the day to try those. First, I'm gonna try the eyeshadow eyeliner challenge. This is basically just getting like a dark eyeshadow color, and then just swoop. And then with a Q-tip, just erase it and just make the shape that you want. I was thinking about doing brown, but I wanted to make it show well, so I'm gonna go with a black color. And it's almost gone. Alright, I have the black eyeshadow. Maybe I need more. I can't really grab it because it's barely there. Okay. Okay, that does not look like what I want it to look like. Okay, I'm gonna just use a different palette. Oh, that's right. Something like that. Okay, now I think it turned out the way I want it to. Now I'm gonna erase this eyeliner now to the shape I want, and I'm gonna use a Q-tip and this thingy. Bioderma. I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm gonna use a mirror. I'm gonna swoop. Okay, I think it's turning out pretty well. Okay. Dude. I'm like genuinely shocked right now. It actually looks so good. Like, that was so easy. That was like freaking easy. That was so easy. It's kind of like more upwards than I would actually want. So let me erase it a little bit. I think this is the best eyeliner I've ever done in my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's that good. I'm happy. Okay, let's erase this. Let's erase it. Okay, next is One-swoop. What's One-swoop? It's literally doing eyeliner in one swoop. For this one, I am going to use the eyeliner from Clio. I chose this one because this is a sponge. This is low-key like testing my skills. Okay. I'm gonna swipe up from here. Okay, hey, not too bad. But that's kind of bad. Like, that's not even connecting, you know? Okay, let me try that again. I want to try the One-swoop. Maybe I did my eyeliner too long. A little bit shorter this time. Like that. Stop. Swoop. Okay, I think my first one was better. But, okay, these are my results of the One-swoop. Let me fill it in. I don't think it's like too bad, but it's not that good. But it's not too bad. I would rate this one like a 7.5. And other one, I would say 10. Okay, let me erase this. Next one was the left hand eyeliner challenge. This is tricky. And for this one, I am going to use my favorite NYX Epic eyeliner. And I'm gonna do it on this eye again. Why? Because I have favoritism over this eye. Okay, maybe I'll do this eye. It's kind of hard. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Filling it in. Okay, the problem here is right here is not connecting too well, and then the end is not pointy. So let me do that. Pretty satisfied with this eyeliner. Not the best. I would give this a 6. But for left hand, I'm like super impressed. I'm really shocked that I got like a really straight line. But also, just right now, I remembered another like eyeliner tip, and I want to try that. So what I saw was they just like stamp it like that. Like that. And that's your eyeliner. They say this is a tip because you could like see how high you want your eyeliner first, and then just stamp it right there. I just wanted to try it. Let me go lower. Like that. Okay. Yeah. I see this tip. I just wanted to try. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe and also leave me a comment. And if you want to try, go try. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!